Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to install the IAG Performance hood struts on a 2021 Ford Bronco.
The IAG Performance kit comes with everything you see here, the mounting hardware and the two struts. To start, pull the hood release lever and then open the hood and prop it up. As a precaution, I stuffed a shop towel here in the fender. I didn't want to lose my nuts. Using needle nose pliers, remove this blue plastic retaining clip. Grab a 13mm socket wrench and remove the bolt. It's a little bit awkward to get out, so using the socket wrench and your fingers is going to be the best way to remove it. Place the driver's side mounting bracket and put in the supplied retaining bolt, but don't tighten it down just yet. And reinsert the large bolt that you took out. Using a 10mm wrench, you can now tighten down that bolt that was provided with the kit. Then go back and tighten up that main bolt. I added some felt to the surface of these washers because they're going to be pressed against the paint on the underside of the hood. Insert one of the pieces of hardware into the second hole up from the hinge mechanism on the hood. Pull it towards you as you twist it and tighten it down with a 12mm wrench. And don't force it too tight because obviously this hood is aluminum. You need to unclip and remove the locking pins from both ends of the strut. Clip the fat end of the strut to the upper mounting point. Push up on the hood slightly and install the lower end of the strut onto the ball joint. Then install the retaining clips and lock them in place. For your safety while we continue installation, it's a good idea to use the prop rod on the hood. Secure the blue retaining clip in the mounting hardware that was just installed, and remove the shop towel if you put one in the fender. And now repeat the process on the passenger side. Remove the blue retaining clip with needle nose pliers and insert a precautionary shop towel. Undo and remove the main bolt. Place the ball joint mounting hardware and secure it with the bolt that was provided. And again, just leave it finger tight for now. Reinstall the main bolt that you'd just taken out. With the 10mm wrench, go back and tighten the retaining bolt. Insert the remaining ball joint mount in the second hole up on the hood. Pull it towards you and make it finger tight. And using a 12mm wrench, tighten it down. Insert the fatter end of the strut into the upper ball joint. Don't forget to reinsert the locking pin. And the same at the bottom. Lift up the hood slightly, put the end of the strut onto the ball joint, and fasten it in place with the retaining pin. Reinstall the blue retaining clip. And remove the shop towel if you used one. Lower the hood gently and then raise it again just to test the operation. In my opinion, the Bronco really should have come with these from the factory.
There you go, another quick and easy install, about 30 minutes total. IAG Performance hood struts, great quality product. Give us a like, maybe subscribe. Until next time.